young man, there's no need to feel down. I said, young man, pick yourself off the ground. I said, young man, 'cause you're in a new town. There's no need to be unhappy, man. There's a place you can go. I said, young man, please don't you can stay there. And I'm sure you will find ways to have a good time. It's fun to stay at the Y.M.C.A. It's fun to stay at the Y.M.C.A. They have everything for your mental enjoy. You can hang out with other boys. It's fun to stay at the Y.M.C.A. Y.M.C.A. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man, what do you want to be? I said, young man, you can make your dreams. You've got to know this one thing, young man. Does it by himself? I said, young man. Wait, you can know himself. He said, go there to the Y.M.C.A. I'm sure they can help you to that. It's fun to stay at the Y.M.C.A. It's fun to stay at the Y.M.C.A. I have everything in your mental enjoy. I stay at the Y.M.C.A. It's fun to stay at the Y.M.C.A.
You get up my video.
You can have a good meal. You can do what you feel. Yeah, man. I was once in your shoes. I said I was down and out with the blues. I felt no man. Can't if I alive. I felt the whole world was so jive. That's when someone came up to me and said, young man, take a walk up the street. It's a place that follow the Y.M.C.A. They can start you back on your way. It's fun to stay at the Y.M.C.A. It's fun to stay at the Y.M.C.A. Everything for your mental enjoy. You can hang out with other boys. It's fun to stay at the Y.M.C.A. Young man, let's need to feel down. Young man, pick yourself off the ground. And just into the Y.M.C.A. Young man, I was once in your shoes. Young man, I was down with the blues.
Let's check this shit out.
We got the lefties.
Yo, what's up, man? Hey, it wasn't too bad, man. I just want to see you do better for you. Right, so you kind of had trouble with the words.
Check first.
It felt like you weren't even singing at times. In general, man, it was okay, yeah. All right, all I'm doing.
I love that you're just having so much fun up there. You're a born pop singer. You have so many fans, and I know they're going to keep voting. I think you rocked that song.
I don't know if that was as good as you can be doing that kind of song, or good enough in general, to be honest. I honestly didn't know what song you were trying to sing.
Y.M.C.A.
Not the worst.
Well, I don't know any of those things. I have to pass.
You look so horrible.
Fast.
Hello, America.
Who started off?
You've seen the guys. But which of them are we going to be saying goodbye to tonight?
Oh, I'm gone already.
Okay, from this bottom group, which of them do you think has made it through? After the vote, you're saying goodbye to Idol tonight.
Oh.
The rest of you will be coming
Okay. We made it. We made it, guys.